What's up, guys? So today we're actually on our way to pick up my motorcycle. If you've been following on Instagram, I took it to the dealership a couple of weeks ago and been having some work done on it, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna meet up with Paul, Ruthie, Paul on the run, Mata Mi Beautiful, and my wife, kids, all of us are gonna go and see what we have in store. So how about y'all follow along? Well, we finally made it here, and we're gonna go look for Jonathan or Nick and see about picking up the bike.
Yeah, he's got the bike. What do you think?
What?
Bike?
I haven't seen it yet.
You haven't
well,
seen it?
I saw it from far away. It's over there. I saw the handlebars.
That was Disney World fun.
Awesome. They have limitations.
And I'm sure it's pretty chaotic.
Oh yeah. So she's here.
Okay.
But so I was able to like get them to bring dessert, and it was like a glass slipper.
Yeah.
So I just gave it to her that one. She was, of course,
Surprised.
Yeah.
That's cool. Right on.
So it was awesome.
Good deal. Sir, you're very welcome. Absolutely.
It was so hot. I was like,
yeah, it's hot.
You are forbidden to buy something this far again.
He's already bought it.
yeah, no.
Oh, I said again. Because there's a possibility.
I was like, man, I'm gonna turn around. Hey!
You want water?
Is there Paul here?
Is there Paul? Paul's right there.
I don't care about that. Where's Paul at?
Yeah, I thought from here.
I'll be here. I'll go to the way.
Hey, Ryan. Jesse's gonna pick his bike up. Told him to get the work order and everything.
Oh, yeah.
So he'll kind of check out with you. Told him Nick will take care of him, and we'll get everything squared away.
Yeah.
Looks good. How's it going?
Doing good.
Good,
I'll be
good.
up front if you need me, Jess.
Yes, we got it all right here. Put the seat on there. Let me get your stock seat.
Okay, cool. Ah, man. Big old cushiony seat.
That'll be nice.
This is yours?
I'm gonna tell them to see if they have the backrest so I can might as well get it.
Is this yours?
Yeah? Oh, cool.
There you go.
Thanks.
And then your strap is in the saddlebag.
Cool.
It's gonna be used to get the.
It's a good thing it ain't raining today.
I'm disappointed it's not raining. I wanted to test
Not me.
it.
I've been in enough rain. I'm tired of it.
Did we order it? Do we
That's
have
fine.
it? I remember he was calling about it. Yeah, it's already on there.
Yeah, it's on there.
Did you want me to see if we have that?
If you can.
Then do you want to just add it to this end?
I mean, I'll have to pay it, so.
Do you think somebody can probably knock out that?
Yeah, we can.
Yeah, the backrest?
Yeah.
Cool.
Now there's two different types. There's going to be adjustable.
Thank you.
There's going to be an adjustable one and then a non-adjustable one. They're both going to be able to remove it.
Okay.
Just the difference is on the fly, you can kind of move it, recline it back, recline it forward.
Okay.
The other one, you kind of mount it in there, or where it is.
Okay.
The difference is about $100 difference,
Okay.
and I should have both. So it's basically whatever style, and I'll show you kind of a picture to see which one you think.
Yeah, I saw some online, and I think the one that's adjusted was the one that
That's
caught my eye.
one really the way to go.
Yeah, because I'm short, so I'd like to be able to.
Change the position.
Yeah.
You're starting like you got to lounge back, or you got to go forward. You know, like
Yeah.
change all that.
That's cool. I'm excited to hear it.
Yeah, it's kind of a down soft tail. I don't know what you say. That's what it.
It's
what do you
hot.
think?
What's that?
What do you think? When it's what do you think? It's a soft tail. It's a hard tail. I mean, I'll just keep. I'll check out the dashboard and this that digital dashboard there. It's all very good.
These are so these are the one right here. So it's gonna be just one little hidden button. You want me to see all that stuff.
Everything is discounted on the
bottom.
bottom.
Easily hit to it.
Okay.
And then I'll make it tilt back and forth, whatever direction.
Okay.
This one, see how you just kind of put it in there, and.
Oh yeah, I didn't see this one. I might have. These are the ones I saw. So how does this work?
There'll be a little button right. I'll show you where
Okay.
it'll be on the bike.
Right, the other one. Actually, I was thinking about taking it apart and doing some research on it. Maybe.
Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Boom.
You said you would send me another one.
Yeah.
Should I just say yes to that?
Yeah.
You want to see the band?
Boom, boom, boom. So now I'm waiting for them to put a backrest on. Might as well get that installed. But I think Robert Simmons would like that they gave me my stock parts without me having to ask. So cool. It looks good.
It turned out real well.
There it is.
Is this yours?
Yes.
Yeah, we did the 128 stage 4 on it. Of course, you'll have to baby it the first 500 miles, you know,
Yeah.
3,000 or under.
Okay.
But you'll feel it
Yeah.
within that 3,000 RPMs. Of course, just did the backrest on it.
And what kind of cams did you guys put on?
I want to say it's a 517.
Okay.
It's just all one kit.
Yeah, it just whatever it comes with. Cool.
And then it comes, the kit that you got comes with a higher flow exhaust header and of course the mufflers and then that badass air cleaner.
Yeah, I like that air cleaner.
It should produce 130 at the wheel by the time we get done.
Yeah. Cool. So then at 1,000, just bring it back to get it tuned completely.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Because right now it has the base map in it.
Yeah.
In fact, I'll get your tuner for you.
Okay.
Just to tell it, you know, hey, this is what you've got in it with bigger injectors, 64mm induction module.
Yeah.
So I mean, you stick a Coke can in there and have room.
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah, you could tell. Cool.
That changes out the throttle body too, though.
Oh yeah, it's much bigger. Instead of being plastic, it's actually aluminum.
Okay.
Bigger injectors too.
Hold on.
So we're gonna see if it was worth it or not. Oh, you turned this on again? It's alive!
I know. That's the part that sucks. How many miles you got on it now? 500. Oh, that's not 500. Yeah,
But that's well,
quick.
it's still.
Put 500 quick.
All right, so that was it. We're gonna go out to Acme, get some oysters,
Where's the other one?
and cool off because it's so freaking hot. But shout out to San Jancito, Harley Davidson. They did awesome with the Stage 4 kit. I'm very pleased, and hopefully I don't break it.
If y'all want to, wait, no, not yet. No transition out yet.
No
Hold on.
transition. Back that up. Okay, there you go.
If you want to be part of the club, you got to pay to play. Deuces.
And over to us, and you're like,
I saw you I saw you last time.